Hi viewers, you may be wondering how come today you saw this Louis Vuitton box. So what happened is that I'm sharing my joy of this unboxing this new purchase, my new bag. Okay, before we go into the unboxing, let's take a look what is the watch I'm wearing today. Is this Datejust Vuitton dial. Later you understand why I'm wearing this Vuitton dial Datejust 41. So without further ado, let's take a look at the unboxing. This is not a new design bag, I would say, but I've been looking for this color for quite some times. Managed to get the help from a friend from Paris to get this in Champs-Élysées in Paris. So let's enjoy. This actually LV outdoor messenger bag. Sorry for the noise. Okay, this is what they call the gunmetal bag, or gunmetal grey, they will say. Let's take it out. Whoa, just received it a few days ago. I would say overall the size is quite nice. Okay, I can go out shopping with this bag. The reason why I like this color, it's not very grey. It's a bit of silvery grey, which is I find quite unique, and is out of stock in all the store online. That's why I have to get my friend in Paris to help me get this bag. Okay, and see from the inside. Okay, I've stuffed some papers inside so they can keep it shape. So what happened over here is that inside here, okay, there's the inner pockets, okay, the usual stamp stickers from LV. Doesn't matter. Okay, here you can use it to put your wallet. Here I usually put my iPad or even my iPhone in. Okay, very nice size. And over here, the front part, okay, you can put your key pouch, and you can see this length is very suitable for guys, especially if I stand up. You can see, okay, very suitable for them. And the next reason why I purchased this gunmetal color is because you can see it matches nicely with my Vuitton dial, Rolex Vuitton dial Datejust 41. Okay, hope you all like this video, and do remember, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you all will be notified of any new unboxing video of my bag or my new watch purchase. Just to give you a thumbs up, my Mat 1 green watch is on the way. Okay, just received the email that they'll be about to ship my watch. So if you want to have a real look of the actual Mat 1 green watch by MB&F, please stay tuned and subscribe to my video and channel. Thank you.